Hi, I have a book I want to share with you, but before I start the book, I want you to think about making friends. Sometimes it's not very easy to make friends, and sometimes somebody might want to be your friend and you really don't want to be their friend today. That's what this book is all about. It's not called Will You Be My Friend? Instead, it is called You Will Be My Friend. Now think about that. Can you make someone be your friend? No, you can ask them to be your friend, but they may not always want to be your friend that day. And this book is by Peter Brown. He wrote the book and he drew the pictures as well. All right. Lucy was very excited when she woke up. Mom, I've decided I'm going to make a new friend today. Isn't that exciting? That is exciting, Lucille. But how do you plan on finding a new friend? Mom, the forest is crawling with fun critters. Surely one of them will want to be my friend. Oh, this is going to be great. So Lucy went outside and to begin her search. Good luck, Lucille, Mom says. Bye, Mom. And here she is going through the forest, and she is super excited. She says, I cannot wait to make a new friend. We're going to do cartwheels and have picnics and climb trees and go swimming and have a dance party. Ooh, she's so excited to make a new friend. Lucy's search got off to a great start when a nice critter invited her to play. Ooh, yes, I'd love to join you. So can you tell what it is? They're frogs. My favorite, frogs in a pond saying ribbit. So next, she jumps in and says, woo-hoo! Uh-oh. Can you see this? Can you tell what is happening? She jumps in and it makes a big old splash. And now at the bottom, all of the water is out of the pond. She says, but things didn't work out. That wasn't good. Oh well, there are plenty of other critters in the forest. It didn't take long for Lucy to find another friendly looking animal. I'll just go up and introduce myself. So she's climbing up a tree. She gets to the top. There's a giraffe. I'm going to scoot just a little bit closer. Maybe you can see the pictures a little bit better. Munch, munch. This giraffe is not happy. He has a scowl on his face. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to climb into your breakfast. That friendship didn't work out either. Okay, 2 down. Lucy did her best to win over the forest animals. She was helpful. Okay, so she has a skunk here. What do you know about skunks? Skunks are stinky, and she says, don't you worry, we'll get that nasty smell out. So she's trying to wash and wash and wash and wash and scrub that smell out of that skunk. But it doesn't work. And now she sees an ostrich. And is there anything that you already know about an ostrich? Tell someone right now if you know something about an ostrich. If you don't, it's okay. She asked lots of questions. So she's asking this ostrich, so tell me, what's it like to fly? So what do you think? How do you think that ostrich answered her? So if you didn't know it, ostriches cannot fly. So she asked him what it's like to fly. That ostrich doesn't know. He can't answer that. And she tried to fit in with everyone she met. So she's trying to go down a rabbit hole. She doesn't fit. She is trying to, so this is a beaver, and beavers use their teeth to cut through wood to make their home. So she's eating the wood too, but bears don't usually eat wood. But Lucy was starting to feel ridiculous, silly. So here she sees a kangaroo. She puts on a kangaroo suit to be with them. Here, she's putting on things so she can swim with the fish. So she's doing all kinds of things to try to fit in, but I don't feel like she's really being herself. She came close to making friends a few times, but something always went wrong. So here's bees, and bees like honey. So she says, "Thanks for inviting me to lunch." Look, she ate part of their beehive. "Sorry I ate your house." Oh my goodness, Lucy. Lucy couldn't believe how hard it was to make a new friend. She was ready to be friends with anyone. Well, almost anyone. So now she found some kids to be friends with. And these kids are pulling on her, brushing her, says squeak, 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 squeak. They're trying to make her make noises. They think she's a play bear. She doesn't like those kids. That's when things got ugly. "Come back here and have fun with me. You won't get any snacks unless you start to like me right now." Is that a good way to make friends? Can you make someone be your friend? She's trying to now. Now she sees an egg and she says, "You will be my friend. I can wait." She might have to wait a long time. Lucy tried to calm herself down. She takes a deep breath. She says, "Hold on now. Let's just calm down. Take a deep breath, Lucy. You can do this. You can make a new friend. Just be yourself." She's not doing a good job of that. Oh, goodness. So now she goes and yells, "Doesn't anybody want to be my friend?" Yeeks. Think about our classroom. Let's just think, this would be kind of silly, but if you stood up in the middle of our classroom and said, "Won't you be my friend? Doesn't anybody want to be my friend?" What do you think your friends would think? What do you think people would think in our classroom? They might, it's probably not a great thing. This is hopeless. It looked as if Lucy would never find a new friend. Now I want you to predict, what do you think might happen in this story? You can pause this, and I want you to tell someone what you think might happen next in this story. Do you think Lucy will find a friend? Do you think she's going to go home sad and have to tell her mom that she couldn't find a friend? Let's see. And then a funny thing happened. Can you see something that's coming in? Do you know what that pink bird is called? It's a flamingo, and it's saying squawk, 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 squawk. Squawk, squawkity, squawk, squawk. Oh my gosh, are you asking me to be your friend? Squawk! I accept. Look at her face. How do you think she's feeling? I think she's pretty excited that she found a friend. I wonder what kinds of things those two friends will do together. And that's the story of how these two friends found each other. They're doing cartwheels, they're having a picnic together, they're swimming together, they're dancing together. What does this say? The end. And one funny thing that the author wrote at the very end. So this is a picture of himself, Peter Brown, and it says, "Over the years, I've learned 3 important lessons about making friends. Number 1, always be yourself. Number 2, new friends appear when you least expect it. And number 3, do not scream, 'You will be my friend,' at people. Trust me, that never works. If you yell that to people, they won't want to be your friend. So the best way to be a friend is to be nice to others." Okay, so after this, all I want you to do is get a blank piece of paper and I want you to draw a picture of something that happened in this story about her, Lucy, finding a friend. Anything you want to out of this book. Okay, have fun with it and draw lots of details in your picture. I will see you later.